Hi guys, going to talk about bots and we're going to talk about how bots can help you. They are only tools to help you as a trader. But if you want to earn 15% a month like we do every month in our trading room, and I'll show you at the end of the video, I'll prove it. I will show you all the results. But if you want to learn how to use, I call it a bowling ball. It's one of my strategies put into a robot and we throw it into the market when the market is ready for it, which is quite a few times, maybe 20 times a month. And it goes back and rips some money out of the market. So if you want to see it, look at the end. I'm going to do a bit of a back test and I will show you how one of the bots can work. As an example, we run a portfolio of bots. And as you know, I'm now selling the bots. You get about 18 in a pack and access to my trading community, as well as online updates and forever updates, and learn to be a bot manager and learn how to extract money out of the market. So if you're interested, watch along a bit more, and hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. I want to talk about algo bots today. Been getting a lot of questions on my videos. People see bots going off in the background and working. Well, I use these, and in my trading group, we use these as tools all the time. Our little helpers to help us trade the markets when we are busy doing something else. Focusing on other trades, we have filters to tell us when to be able to switch our bot on so it can go and do the work for us. Now, one thing's very, very clear. I do not believe in bots that run for months and months on end and days, and I just don't believe in the bot that will work all the time, because a bot doesn't really know about economic conditions, presidential issues, oil problems, all sorts of economics. It just does not. But what you can do is develop a piece of code that has your strategy in it. And you've got the biggest computer there is between your ears. And if you can have a piece of code runs as a bot, and then I call it like a bowling ball, and we use them all the time. And when the conditions are correct, it might be on multiple markets. You can just fire your bowling ball into the markets and get on with what you really want to trade. And in the meantime, those bots just sit there that you've set up and that you've positioned. And when the conditions are ready, they then switch themselves on. They trade the market. There's always one way to get in, and we always use a 1% risk on all our bots. And some of them go for 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, sometimes a little bit more. And they go in and trade the markets for us. They go in, and all the bots, one way to get in and 3 ways to get out. Either hit the limit, the bot reverses, and it then banks money, or the market has some sort of shock or a reversal, and it has an automatic sense that moves the stop to entry. So when you lose, you win, and when you win more. We use these all the time. Now, I wasn't certain about doing this video because people just are not going to believe what I'm about to tell you. However, we do have proof on what we do. And a lot of my traders use these bots. Now I'm opening it up to other people who, if they want to use them, they can use them. If you get the bots off me, then you'll become part of my bot community. You'll be in my Slack room. You will be and have access to all the information and guidance, and you'll become part of my bot community where we trade every day. We switch the bots on every day. I tell you what, I'll tell you what, I'll show you. I'll show you the bots, and let's have a look. Share a screen. We'll share this screen here. So first of all, what I will do, I will bring across some of the results. We've been tracking these. This is the October tracker, brand new. We've just got the euro pound on at the moment, and you can just see up here the euro pound says switches on. So June, let's just show you on June. This is the June results. These are all the dates we traded. These are all the assets. These are the trigger levels, the stops, the limits, whether the bot won or lost, what was its result. And we track exactly what we do all the time. So this one made 15% in June. In July, it made 15.47. August, it made 16.3. September, now September made 9.29. I had a holiday in September, so I didn't really switch them on and off very much. So we've got the new current month, which is October. So what we do is track every single bot we trigger that we switch on, and we do it through our Fractal bot room. I can just bring this across. This is the room here. Right. So this is the Fractal. These are just other areas of my trading community that we trade every day. Some of the trades that I put on, tell people what to do, discuss what we're going to do in my trading group. But this is the community we're talking about at the moment. So these are something that we put in today, as I've just shown you, switched on at 4 o'clock today, 10 past 4, bots on, ready to work. The results are put in. We do back tests to show how the bots have been performing and how they work, and the hit rates are very good. And you can see there's just here tons and tons of stuff here, and people posting what they're doing, the hit rates on some of the new bots that they've started, and everyone supports each other on what they did. And you know, the figures that I shown before, this guy's obviously doing a lot better than me, and some of our community guys. So that's what we do. We have a bot community to tell you how the bots work. Not all bots are equal, like not all markets are equal. We have different ranges of pip sizes, etc. And this just tells you about what you need to do before you use them, switch them on. And the package that we've got, it's around about 18 different bots, all coded, all ready to use off the shelf. But we do have a community, and in this community we discuss bots and the tuning of the bots, and where new setups might lie, what we modeled to decide on the new bots and what hit rate these bots are having at the moment. Anything between which was 66% right through to 98% hit rate bots. And we have some bots that just don't lose, but that's exception rather than the rule. And people put on the market, we even have filters to tell you when to put the bots on. So we have a filter here that says, get ready. This market is absolutely ready to trade short. So what these filters do, they identify whether it's a bear or bull market, and they filter out what we should be doing. So at the moment, it says Fractal bot, get ready. So it's telling you here, we've got a big pullback, market's overstretched on the stotch here, put the bot on and get ready to fire the bot and switch it on. We have a few of the filters as well. We have bots that when there's a massive strong trend, they have found it straight away. This is the one to really concentrate on. And we've got the perfect storm for indies or commodities, and it's obviously spotted crude again. And then the last one that we have is a 15-minute perfect, and this hones everything down to 15 minutes, ready to throw your bot on. So all you do is stop this share just a moment. So we have filters to tell you when to put the bot on, so you don't even need to find out what to do. All you need to do is run the filter, It tells you what asset you can trade. You then switch the button on. It sets the trade up for you, the asset up for you. You switch the bot on, and then the bot then triggers when the conditions are ready. It goes and trades, makes a few pounds for you, and then comes out again. And it's as simple as that. Effectively, you're a bot manager. So while you're a trader, it enables you to run one of our key strategies, which is fractal trading. And this is doing fractal bots. So we have a filter, put the bot on, fire and forget, goes away, trades, switches itself off. And we also have a bot community whereby I help and nurture people with bots and I show people what to do. And we all talk and we communicate and how to use the bots so you're never alone. And we have user manuals and how to use all this. And we do all this in my private trading room anyway. But this is just another aspect of what we do in our room. Bot trading, algos. Algos are your friend. They're only tools. They're not fire and forget for months, because there's only one person that can really understand economics, how the market goes up and down, and that's you. Understanding the news, understanding issues around the world, and then you know when to put the bot on, when not to put a bot on. If you don't really understand too much, well, our trading group will tell you what to do. And our filters will tell you when to switch it on, when not to switch it on. If there are any significant issues, then I'll tell you live in Slack, right to your pocket, through your mobile phone, when to put it on, when to put it off. Easy as that. And at the moment, we're tracking every single thing, so you can back test the whole lot. We can even show you how to back test, and probably making round about 15% per month, every month, 15% bank. So, you know, for whatever bank size you've got, probably making around about 15% per month every month. And you then become a bot manager. And what I'm hoping is I'm releasing these bots so your public can use them. And if you can see the power of the bots, just maybe you might want to learn how to trade with us as well, because we can earn an awful lot more than that trading in my community. If you want to know more about my trading community or want me to take you around, show you what we do and how we trade, very, very happy to give you a freebie run around our trading room and show you how we trade. We trade roughly 6 to 10 times a week live, as well as me mentoring you personally and helping you put a trade plan together, helping you choose the right strategies. We've got around about 1 terabyte of learning information, all in PDFs and videos. Everything we trade on the live is all recorded. So you'll get back catalogues of recordings, 6 to 10 recordings a week. And all that's available to you as a trader anyway. If you join me for the last 5 years, all the recordings are there. So you can go and learn from those. And we've got a massive learning center that is really good. So I'll stop waffling, and I hope you enjoyed that. Get the bots. It will change your whole outlook on extracting rupees from the market. Be a bot manager. Use a tried and trusted strategy. They work. We've tracked them and we continue tracking them. Are you making 15% a month now, or 15% a year? Maybe, maybe not. We do. Look in the links below. You'll see Fractal Bots. You'll see my email to be able to contact me for a free run around, show you what we do, and a link to the bots as well. I don't understand why anybody won't use these. They are brilliant, and they're now released for the public to have them. So see you soon, and I'll welcome you to the Slack room and my trading community, of course. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. Here we go. I'll show you a back test on the bots that we use, just to show you how they actually work. So let's share a screen. Right. So sharing a screen. USD Japanese just come up, so let's have a look at USD Japanese. So I'll pull the bot up and USD JPY, and there is the bot. We'll open the bot up. Here we are. This is the code for the bot. Calls up the magic syrup, which is the strategy itself. So move this to one side, and we'll have a look, see what happened in September. Right, let's run the back test and show you what would have happened. Right, so here we are. You can see the equity curve here. You can see 178.8% of the time. Maximum three consecutive losses, maximum consecutive wins 10. And the return was, what was the return? 27%. Now, it always shows you a better result. Let's just put this back. So let's get the dashboard. There we go. So there's the dashboard. Let's just, can we close this off? I'm back. Right. So that was a USD Japani. Just show you a quick back test. That's a 27%. That's not reality. And people ask for back tests all the time. And in reality, if you'd left USD Japani bot, Fractal bot, yes, it would have made 27%. Reality is you don't, because these are just tools and we switch them on and off as we want them. So yeah, we make 15% a month. On average, if you'd left this one on, you'd have made a lot more. But hey, hindsight's a great thing, and we don't trade hindsight, we trade real markets. So that's just a quick example of how the bot works and how you can test it. And yeah, I hope that's all right.